Hey guys, it's been a while since I did an actual car video on this channel. Kind of ran short on ideas, but today I finally bring you an update on the Mousemobile 2.0. So if you remember last year from about, I don't know, March, maybe April, I think it was March though, I got new tires put on this car. And it was a warranty job done at Honda of Lisle, where I purchased the vehicle in January. The vehicle was sold to me with bald tires. Now, I'm not sure what make those tires were, but for them to still be safe, even when they were worn all the way down, was phenomenal. However, these tires, I haven't had a really good experience with traction with these tires, and I looked them up. These are the cheapest tires you can buy for this car, the Milestar. Let's see, what type? It says MS932 Sport. These are the worst tires I have ever experienced on a vehicle. They don't give me good grip when it's wet outside. They're already worn. Because let's see, the car has 61,412 miles. And yes, I put the stock turn signal control back in, because I like to control my headlights manually. And sometimes if your battery is running flat, having automatic lights all the time doesn't help. So yeah, I will be replacing these tires pretty soon. All I gotta say about these tires is, well, can't beat free, because I got these tires for free as a warranty job. The dealership decided, oh, let's just buy the cheapest tires that you can put on this car, because it's a warranty job anyway. Well, that's how dealerships screw you. That's one of the main ways. So screw you on tires and still charge a hefty amount, but in this case, it was a warranty job. Yeah, barely any tread left. I probably should not have done a burnout on 420. But hey, way better than smoking weed. I know a lot of my friends do that. I'm not going to name anyone. I don't want to throw anyone under the bus. So there you go. It's a short update on the Mousemobile. Why I hate these Milestar tires. They're literally a Walmart brand. You can pick them up at Walmart. They suck. I don't know if there's a better and more appropriate way to put it. They just suck. And it looks like we got a storm rolling through. So yeah, a couple options are I get the Falcon tires I listed on my poll on my community tab, or I get the Bridgestone tires. I have reevaluated how long I'm going to keep this car. I might keep it till, I don't know, summer 2024, so that's 5 years from now. Because most people keep their cars 6 years. So I'm trying to see how long this car will last me. Because next year, if I keep making money from YouTube and everything goes to plan, I might be able to buy my dream car, then make videos with that, and it'll be a great return on investment for the channel. And the tires are definitely something I will be checking before I buy that car. But yeah, I'm not going to buy another car until Christmas time next year, because during Christmas time you can get discounts. Also, the next generation of my dream car is coming out, which will significantly drop the value of the current generation. So yeah, that's all I wanted to give you guys an update on. Smash the thumbs up in the face if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, do what you do best, and peace out until next time. Oh yeah, I don't want to quite end the video just yet. I forgot to mention the other brand of tire I could get. They're Bridgestone tires. Again, I don't know the make or the exact model of the tire. Obviously I know the make, but I listed it on my community tab, so if you haven't voted on it, go dig through. I'm sure it's a few posts down. And most of the votes went for the Bridgestones, so I might end up getting the Bridgestones because they have a 90,000 mile treadwear warranty compared to the Falcons, which have a 40,000 mile treadwear warranty. So I'm pretty sure those tires will last me long in advance of 100,000 miles. Because I did put 13,000 miles on this car in a year. So probably going to put the same amount of miles on it this year. Might end up with 66,000 miles by February or January or whatever. Yeah, I forgot. I bought the car in January, but the first payment wasn't due until March. So yeah, sorry if I snaked you guys with the outro. So once again, thumbs up if you enjoyed. Peace out until next time.